back, cloud miners. As you can see, I have a new intro, just trying this out. I think I'll get a little better as time goes on, but let me know what you think. But anyway, BitTycoon is one of the first apps I actually covered in this channel. My first video of this was over a year ago, and the only real reason I'm making a video about it is because they had their first real update in a long time. And you can see the little dot where it says help and frequently asked questions. So let's click that. And you can see that they now have daily quests where you can earn some Tycoon points and some actual Bitcoin. So I invited one friend today. I'll click claim, see what happens. And for doing that, it just gave me 140 sats. Pretty good. But even if you aren't able to invite friends, on the bottom here, you see if you activate 3 contracts, you'll also receive some Bitcoin. So let me go through those real quick. And there it is at the bottom. So let's scroll down a little bit and click claim. And this time, it looks like we got a little over 14 sats just for watching 3 ads. You get a little over 4.3 sats per ad, and that's not including the normal reward you get for watching ads. So one thing you can also do is click, you get some Tycoon points. We don't know if this is going to be a thing in the future, but you know, the more the better, right? They are still offering them out. So if you're somebody who watches ads to get Bitcoin, I think this is actually a viable app at this point. And in my opinion, it actually raises it on my tier list a little bit. But if you've seen any of my other videos, and I haven't made one on this in about a year, the paid options are not worth it. Please do not invest in this. And as far as normal rewards for watching ads, you get 2 hours for every ad watch, and 24 hours earns you about 10 sats a day. So if you add the 14 on top of the 10, that ends up being 24. And if you do just the 3 a day, you should still get about 16 or 17 sats, just an approximation. But since it has been a while since I've made a video on this, I've been able to save up for a little while, and I had a little over 75,000 sats to withdraw. And it takes about 3 days to go through, but I got it this morning, so I want to show you a withdrawal to a trust wallet. Now first you're going to go into your wallet tab, and then once you're in your wallet tab, you're going to go to withdrawal. And I wanted to go over a couple things first. So you have the BEP20 network and the Bitcoin network. The Bitcoin network has a much higher withdrawal minimum and has a massive withdrawal fee, so it's just not realistic. With the BNB Smart Chain network, you can't use a normal Bitcoin network, and for me, I have to use a trust wallet. But the sat fee is also 790 sats, which is pretty high, but you know, if you just wait over time, you know, I haven't withdrawn in almost a year, that won't be too big of a deal. And if you look at the top right where it says history, you'll see that I recently received 76,295,000 Satoshis, so let's show that tutorial off. So in our trust wallet, I'm heading to my BNB Smart Chain, and then my amount's going to be 0.00076295. Can I hit confirm? And then copy our address, head back to BitTycoon, click all for the amount, paste our address, and then click withdraw. And earlier today, as of the making of this video, I received my 76,295 Satoshis, but it is in the BNB Smart Chain. But it's still just as good as Bitcoin. And before, when we were just going with the free rewards, it would take about 2 months, a little over 2 months of just watching ads to cover the fees. Now with this new bonus, if it stays like this, it's a lot less. And the last couple things I want to talk about in this video are referrals and Tycoon points. So I just want to thank everybody who's used my referral code over this time. It's the only reason these videos really come out, especially for this app. You know, it took a year, but you know, 75,000 sats is pretty nice. And to go beyond that, you can see that I have 357,550 Tycoon points. And this app has been around longer than I've been making these videos. So these Tycoon points have been promised, you know, for a long time. They said that you're going to be able to buy cryptocurrency with them. But until that happens, I don't believe it. But overall, I think this was a good update. I may raise this in my tier list. I may not. Maybe just put a little bit higher in the tier list in the same category. We'll have to see. And if there are any other updates with BitTycoon, I'll let you know as soon as possible. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I do my best to find the best Bitcoin and crypto cloud mining apps and break them down as well as I can. And if you want a free and easy way to support the channel, please use my BitTycoon referral code that you see on the screen. It's also in the description. It's a really easy way to help out the channel, costs you nothing, and gets these videos out faster, that's for sure. And if you find real value in these videos, I have memberships for 99 cents a month. I don't take any direct payments or sponsorships from any of these cloud mining apps, so these videos come out as unbiased as possible. And just know when you do buy a membership, it really does make my day, and I just truly appreciate it. And a big shout out to ATL8494. I appreciate you becoming a member, buddy. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you in the clouds.